In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job at Zoho. Landing a position at Zoho can be a thrilling opportunity for your career. So, let's walk through the essential steps to make this dream a reality. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to the official Zoho website. Simply type www.zoho.com into your address bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice the site's sleek design and user-friendly interface, which speaks volumes about its professional yet approachable atmosphere. As you scroll down the homepage, keep an eye out for the Careers link. It's typically nestled towards the bottom of the page among other important links. Clicking on Careers will redirect you to Zoho's Career Opportunities section. Here, you are opening the door to explore the vast array of roles that Zoho offers across various departments. Next, on the Careers page, look for the button labeled View Open Roles. This button is your gateway to discovering all the available job positions that Zoho has to offer. Click on it, and you'll see a list of exciting opportunities across different fields. Take your time to browse through them and think about which roles might be the best fit for your skills and career goals. Once you find a job opportunity that aligns with your interests and qualifications, click on it to get more details. This is a crucial step as it allows you to understand the job responsibilities, requirements, and potentially even who you'll be working with. Make sure the position excites you and matches your professional skills. If after reviewing the job details you decide it's the right role for you, look for the I'm interested button and click it. This is a firm declaration of your intention to pursue this opportunity. From here, you'll be directed to the application process. Filling out the job application is perhaps the most vital part of this journey. Here, you'll need to provide accurate and thorough details about your professional background. This includes your work experience, educational background, skills, and any other information that supports your candidacy. Tailor your application specifically to the job you're applying for and make sure each section is filled out completely and correctly to ensure you present yourself as a strong candidate. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, go ahead and click on Submit Application. It's the culmination of your efforts where all your preparation comes together. After you submit, you will receive a confirmation, which indicates that your application has been successfully submitted to Zoho for consideration. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the application process at Zoho. Remember, after submitting your application, it's always a good idea to follow up if you don't hear back within a reasonable time. Wishing you the best of luck in your job search, and may your efforts lead to a rewarding career at Zoho.